Hi, good evening, everyone. How are you? Happy Halloween. And just before we start, let me just start saying Halloween has been, like everything else, taken and made into something totally different than what it was or was intended to be by Hollywood and the movies, and make it all scary and stuff that it's definitely not all about. Okay? And through the years, this gets a tail and that gets a tail and that gets a tail. So then firstly, just enjoy the night, enjoy the parties. The whole thing about Halloween is to have respect for those that passed before us, for our ancestors that came before us, that made it possible for us to be here. It's just a time to concentrate on that and give thanks for everything that we've got, because of those that walked the path ahead of us, in front of us. Okay, so there's nothing ugly about it, and just relax and have fun. So tonight, if you look, I've posted there, we're going to have a bit of a competition. So you're going to go to your party, do your makeup, don your attires, whatever you're going to be as, take pictures and post it here on the group. Then by 12 o'clock tomorrow, everybody should be up and have a chance to put their videos or their photos on there. And then we're going to have a voting time till 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Okay, and the winner is going to get a full reading to the value of 800 Rand. That's an hour and a half specific reading for the value of 800 Rand. Okay, so get going, get your pictures in, enjoy tonight. Please, no drinking and driving. If you had a few too many thoughts, find someone to come and fetch you, or rather sleep over by people, or have people sleep over by you. It's Halloween after all. And we don't want to help anyone into the future too fast. Okay. So all three cards tonight is very, very positive, but it's got a message, so please listen. The first one is the gibbous moon. You are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, the possibility is bulging and everything is coming to a peak. It's not a definite yes or no. Some adjustments are required, but you're definitely on the right track. However, there's a sense that it might be a bit tense at the moment, so don't push too hard. One false move and it might just blow the whole thing to smithereens for you. But the knowledge that you're going to take with this is that you're all on the right track. Okay, then it's a good time to review your plans, move towards your dreams, stay focused, and it's a very good time to start a new project. And get back into your health habits. Okay. Then a win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra. Let go of what is falling away. Don't hold on too tight to anything. This is, this can be pertaining to a professional relationship, a personal relationship that might be ending now. And if things are falling apart, this is the right time for it to fall apart now. So stop hanging on. You might also need to balance your ego with someone else's needs. So just pay a bit of attention there. Try seeing the other person through the eyes of love. It might just change the whole picture. And also it's time to take a firm decision and also focus on yourself for a while. You might also be the person that needs all the love. Look after yourself, but avoid vanity. And this is also a good time for a makeover. Then we've got luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. This one says, are you perhaps all talk and no action? You must remember, in order for things to start happening, you need to start doing things. Fretting over small stuff is counterproductive. It takes your time, it eats your time, it takes you in the wrong direction. So give attention where it's needed. While thinking about things, you might just need to step back and look at it from a bigger picture, okay? And what's the most positive thought you can have about it? And count your blessings, even if it's not the exact spot where you want to be now. You're working towards where you want to be and where you want to get to. Don't just say, no, I'm not going to get there and stop. You need to put in to get where you want to be. And also take a time out for a mini break or an adventure. Go and have fun. Be confident, again, but not overconfident. And this whole situation that's bugging you might have been because you've been distracted, gave attention to other stuff instead of where it was supposed to be. And find balance between speaking your mind and saying too much. And if you show that you care, that might just change the whole thing for you. So, this was our positive messages for tonight. Thank you so much for those that last night put their numbers there. I answered back everybody that did post their numbers. And I'm so looking forward to the photos. Aren't you guys also? And you can see I donned my hat, all dressed up and nowhere to go. We had a terrible storm warning. The start of the storm had dissipated and now it's going again. Can you believe it? But in any case, so go, have fun, be safe, no drinking and driving. Remember to post your pics. I'm going to sit like this the whole time to see what's going on. Enjoy it, have fun.